Fun summer activities that keeps you fit. Are you looking for some fun summer activities that will also keep you fit? It's easy to get lazy in the summer, but if you combine fun with exercise, it can be much easier to get or stay in shape. Here are some ideas for fun summer activities that keeps you fit. Horseback riding. Do you have a stable nearby where you can pay for a ride? Or perhaps you would like to take up the horseback riding lesson. No matter how you choose to get on a horse, it's a fun activity that can strengthen the core muscles and burn calories. Just make sure you stick with your experience level and have a guide with you. Water. Outdoor water fun is definitely a summer thing. Depending on the activity, it can be an inexpensive activity to get started with, and whole families can participate. The most basic way to enjoy the water in the summer is to find a pool and go swimming. Not a swimmer? Then enroll in water, aerobics classes, or use a kickboard to navigate the pool. Here are some other water fun activities for the summer: jet skiing, water skiing, rafting, kayaking, or canoeing. No matter what water activity you choose to engage in, make sure that safety is always a priority. Rollerblading. In a quiet neighborhood with level streets, you can enjoy rollerblading on any warm summer evening. If you don't have that kind of skate-friendly surroundings, go to a track or park, meet up with friends to keep it fun, and it won't feel so much like exercise. Consider pads and other gear for optimal safety and comfort. Lawn games. From frisbee to horseshoe, lawn games are a time-honored way for people to take exercise. You might even be able to get the neighborhood involved in our friendly competition. Here are some of the popular lawn games: badminton, horseshoe, frisbee, quad. Sports. Summer sports like baseball, tennis, and volleyball are fun for all ages. You don't have to enroll in an official team or competition, although that's fine. You can just play this sport for fun at your local ballpark or rec center. If you have never done any summer sport before, make this the year you learn. Sign up for lessons and learn a new skill while getting fit. Gardening and yard work. Do you normally hire someone to do your yard work? How about gardening? If you don't have a garden, why not start one this year? These summer activities can really burn summer calories and strengthen the muscles. Digging, mowing, trimming, hoeing, and so forth all provide a decent workout. Fitness vacations. This summer, why not work fitness into your vacations? A fitness vacation is a time away from home that focuses on physical activities. There is something physical activity scheduled into every day of your trip. This may mean that you come home more fit than when you left.